Model selection, cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning. Building a successful machine learning system is not just about choosing an algorithm and training it once. It's an iterative and thoughtful process that involves selecting the right model, validating its performance properly, and fine-tuning it for the best results. Model selection is the process of choosing the most appropriate algorithm for a given problem, and in machine learning, there is no single, best, model that works for every dataset. Different models have different strengths and weaknesses depending on the nature of the data and the problem. Every dataset has its own structure, patterns, and noise, and some models are better at handling linear relationships, while others excel at capturing complex, non-linear patterns. Picking a model that is too simple may fail to capture important relationships, while a model that is too complex may overfit, memorizing the training data instead of learning general patterns. When selecting a model, practitioners often consider the nature of the problem, whether it is classification, regression, or clustering, the size of the dataset, interpretability, training time and resources, and performance requirements such as accuracy, precision, or recall. Typically, data scientists try multiple algorithms, such as comparing a simple linear model, a tree-based model, and a more advanced ensemble method, aiming to identify the model that provides the best balance between performance and generalization. Once candidate models are selected, evaluating how well they will perform on unseen data becomes critical, and this is where cross-validation comes in. Cross-validation is a technique used to assess how a model will generalize to new data by repeatedly splitting the data into training and validation portions in different ways, reducing the uncertainty that comes from relying on a single train test split. K-fold cross-validation, a common strategy, divides the dataset into several equal parts called folds, training the model on all but one fold and testing on the remaining fold, repeating this process so that each fold is used as a validation set once, with the final performance being the average across all runs. Variations like stratified cross-validation, leave one out, and time series validation address specific challenges such as class imbalance or chronological data dependencies. After evaluating models, hyperparameter tuning becomes essential, as most machine learning models have settings that control how they learn. Hyperparameters are configuration choices set before training begins, influencing the learning process itself, such as the depth of a decision tree, the number of neighbors in a nearest neighbor model, the learning rate in optimization algorithms, or the number of layers in a neural network. Proper tuning is vital because default settings may not be optimal for a dataset, potentially leading to underfitting, overfitting, or slow and unstable training. Methods for hyperparameter tuning include grid search, which systematically tries all possible combinations of predefined hyperparameter values but can be computationally expensive, random search, which samples a subset of possibilities efficiently, and advanced methods like Bayesian optimization, automated machine learning tools, and evolutionary algorithms. Hyperparameter tuning is usually combined with cross-validation to ensure reliable evaluation, computing the average performance across folds for each set of hyperparameters and selecting the best performing configuration. A typical machine learning workflow involves preparing the dataset, splitting it into training and testing sets, selecting several candidate models, using cross-validation to evaluate each model, choosing the best performing model, tuning hyperparameters using cross-validation, and finally evaluating the model on the test set. Common pitfalls to avoid include overfitting during tuning, data leakage, ignoring computation cost, and focusing solely on accuracy. Feature engineering plays a crucial role, as the quality of input data often has a greater impact on performance than model choice or hyperparameter tuning. This involves creating new features, scaling or normalizing them, and selecting the most relevant attributes, which can allow simpler models to perform comparably to more complex ones. Ensemble methods like bagging, boosting, and stacking combine multiple models to improve performance, often requiring careful tuning and validation to ensure each component contributes positively. Regularization is another important concept, helping to prevent overfitting by controlling model complexity, penalizing extreme values, smoothing the model, and balancing bias and variance. Specialized validation strategies, such as time series validation, nested cross-validation, and group-based validation, prevent misleading performance metrics when standard k-fold cross-validation is insufficient. Modern tools, including AutoML frameworks, hyperparameter optimization libraries, and experiment tracking platforms, automate parts of model selection, cross-validation, and hyperparameter tuning, saving time and reducing human error, but should complement, not replace, a solid understanding of principles. Even after deployment, monitoring and continuous evaluation are necessary, as real-world data can drift over time, requiring performance tracking, retraining, and hyperparameter retuning. Practical advice includes starting with simple, interpretable models, iterating progressively, keeping training and test data separate to avoid leakage, balancing efficiency and performance, and documenting experiments to ensure reproducibility. Handling imbalanced data through appropriate metrics, resampling techniques, or algorithmic adjustments is important, as is addressing noise and outliers through pre-processing, using robust models, and ensuring representative validation folds. Trade-offs between interpretability and performance must be considered, particularly in regulated industries, and scalability and deployment considerations such as inference speed, memory requirements, and maintainability affect model choice. Evaluating model robustness through sensitivity analysis, stress testing, and generalization checks ensures the model performs reliably across variations in data. Machine learning is rarely a linear process, and iterative feedback loops using validation results to refine feature engineering, model choice, and hyperparameters improve confidence that the final model is optimal and reliable. Mastering model selection, cross-validation, and hyperparameter tuning forms a disciplined approach that moves beyond trial and error, creating models that are not only accurate but also robust, generalizable, and dependable in real-world applications.